Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about exporting to PDF and Excel. So all the main listing in Expiration Reminders, like if I click here on Expiration Items, you will see the option here to export to PDF, Excel or CSV export. Okay, so exporting is very simple. You just click on that button there and the system will go ahead and generate that PDF for you. Show it, there you go. And here is all the pages and all the sections over here for that specific PDF. Same will do for Excel. But the nice thing about exporting to PDF and Excel is that it's also connected to the filters. So let's say you only want to export everything that is expired, for example, and do not do that filter there for expire and click on PDF export, and it's gonna do only that. It will then export and only export that filter for expired. You can see here that it's only expired PDF. So very powerful option in there, allows you to export to PDF, etc. And it is connected to every screen. Like I said, like if you go to contacts, you can export your contacts, you can export your companies, your location. So you don't even need to reach out to us if you want to export your data. You have all of those options there to export for PDF, Excel or CSV, and do connected filters. So it will export only the data that you're searching or filtering for if you need to create a specific report or send out that to another person. Thank you, and remember to subscribe to get more videos like this.